Apostle, I just hear in my spirit that we cannot have an outer court experience and expect lasting transformation. We have to move to the Holy of Holies. If we remain in the outer court, it will be a shallow transition. It will be a shallow transformation. God is moving at an accelerated pace. We will not be able to understand that if we remain in the outer courts. We cannot interpret what the Lord is doing in the outer courts. We've got to be in the Holy of Holies. We've got to be in the presence. Apostle has implored us over the last month. It is about a presence encounter. Lord, we declare and decree for a presence encounter today. For those in the house and those online.
You rise like fire, you feel